This is Anna from RK Artisan Store. I was just checking in again. We got busy with the holidays, and so we haven't been posting as much as we had hoped, but it's all good. We had a great holiday. I hope you guys had a great holiday too. Thanksgiving is one of my personal favorites, and it's always been a big one with our family, so it's very important, and just to have that family time and to take a moment to pause and be thankful for all of the good community and the good fellowship and the happy memories from the year. So, in other news, I also wanted to share a couple things with you, and this was the best way I could think to do it. So I'm still working on Jerry's creations, my grandma Jerry's products that she's been building. And with the holiday coming up, I wanted to make sure you guys knew what was available. So hopefully there's not too much glare on the screen here, but when you go to the store, you'll see several amazing things. We've got some stockings. If you guys are needing to upgrade yours or add one on for any of the new additions to your family. What I love about Grandma Jerry's stockings is she makes them wider through the curve of the sock, so you can get all those little gifts in there. I remember when we were kids, there'd always be a big old orange at the bottom and then lots of different things between, but it was much easier to get the trinkets and toys in and to get them back out again. I know if you all are used to the traditional stockings, they're very narrow and you kind of have to fight all the presents in and out. So that is something that I have always loved about Grandma Jerry's stockings. They're very unique in that way, and she always makes them beautiful. Another thing, which this is coming up soon, we used to celebrate Advent as a whole conglomerate family, as a whole clan, and my Grandma Jerry published a book, Advent and the Holidays at McGee Ranch, and this includes suggestions for traditions that we did as a family and ones that you could do with your family, as well as explaining what Advent is and how we, as the McGee clan, celebrated it. So it's very, very fun. It's a really nice little peek into our family life, and it gives you, in order to give you ideas for what to do with yours, because all of those things are very important. One of the big things I wanted to share is we've got some new aprons up, including these ones for Hanukkah. Some of us in the McGee clan celebrate Hanukkah now, and Grandma Jerry did this beautiful job of making these aprons out of a dreidel print, and she put a little thing on the towel that says "Oi to the world," which I love, and the Star of David. So we're starting to get some Hanukkah stuff in there as well as for Advent, so you've got a few holiday options. Here's another one that was for Hanukkah. I love the colors on this one. And then on this one there's a little dreidel, and it just says dreidel, dreidel, dreidel. And this one specifically, I think the other one did too, comes with a spare hand towel. So that way you have one to swap out with. So, which is awesome. We're working on different options like that. Now, other than all of these that you've already seen, we've entered another option where you can have us create, Grandma Jerry will create for you, a custom apron. So you see the pictures are grayed out. This is to show you that we're not selling this specific product, just the style. So you can pick the apron with the row of pockets along the bottom. This is an apron that hits about mid-thigh. You can pick the full apron with the patch pockets, which is also fun. And then we have two options for the half aprons, the one with the tea towel, the hand towel, or the one with pockets. So you can now have a custom choice of that. And so you pick your style that you want, and then you can pick a specific color, and then if you want any specific, any certain kind of theme that you're hoping for, put it in there. And what this will do, so you can say, I want Christmas trees. So then what will happen at that point is we'll enter into a conversation with you, and Grandma Jerry will go and look at what fabrics she has available and which ones she can get for you, and offer you a couple of different options of Christmas tree fabrics. And then once you pick what style of fabric you want for your apron, she'll make it for you. So this is a great way to do a custom present for a special couple, for yourself, for your spouse, for your grandma, and make it very unique to whatever it is you're celebrating. And this is going to be available year-round. This is not just a Christmas time thing. It's so you can think of this for birthdays, or for Valentine's Day, or Easter. So this is something we're really excited to launch for you. So yeah, I wanted to share that with you. I'm really excited for how it turned out. We have already had one custom, excuse me, I'm trying to not to sneeze. We've already had one custom apron ordered, which was fantastic. And hopefully those have already arrived to the customer. I'm very excited. Let me think. We also do have, let me see here. If you're looking for more stocking stuffers, we do still have small things like the earrings. These are from Kringle's Creations. This is from one of my sister-in-law. These are beautiful. It's very slight, but these shells all have a different hue to them. If you're looking for just kind of utilitarian kind of things, we have these packs of face masks, the face mask bundles that my mom, Ruthie K, has been making since COVID started, and I know some people still need them for every day. So if you're needing a restock on those, then this is a great place to find them. And these are just little things that you can use as stocking stuffers or just little presents. We'll be uploading new ones soon. Oh, also coming soon is those table runners. I had shown you in the last video my dining table set that Grandma Jerry made me for my wedding. And we're going to be working on getting those out to you. We have a few pre-made ones, just like the aprons, and eventually we're hoping to get started a custom table runner set option so that you can order it to fit your specific table, because we all have different size dining areas. Some of us have little small ones in our tinier houses. Some of us have long, elegant family style tables to fit all of our wonderful people around, and we want to make sure we have options for both of y'all. So anyway, that was a big info dump. So just to recap, we have custom aprons now. We have Hanukkah aprons now. We still have lots of Christmas winter style aprons to check out. And we have some beautiful jewelry you should be looking at in case you're needing that one more present for that person you forgot. So we're hitting to crunch time for the holidays, I know, so it's something definitely worth looking at, and to make sure you've got everything you need to have a wonderful and blessed holiday. So check out rkartisanstore.com. We're here. We're excited to help you prepare for your holiday season. I hope you all had a beautiful Thanksgiving. I hope you are staying warm as the weather turns here, and we'll talk to you more later. Have a great day.